today is moving day. It is very, very chaotic here.
Well, it needs to come out and grab it and rip it.
It's not as heavy as I remember, but it was. Telling all of them.
So I'm a hoarder.
I worked mighty hard today. We're gonna see you.
Yes, slay.
There you go.
Yeah. It goes the other way. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is moving day. It is very, very chaotic here and there's stuff everywhere. And we thought we were going to be able to move in a couple hours early and now we're not. So that's so great. But let me show you our current situation. So like none of our bedroom is packed. Thumbs up. But pretty much all of our bathroom is packed. Like we cleared all these cabinets the other day. And like all the drawers.
Yeah, I'm just gonna slide it.
No, because the railings are rusted. And we got rust on the back of the couch last time.
As long as you're careful.
No, it's so big you can't be careful.
Well, it needs to come out from here a little bit.
Yeah.
I can't grab it and rip it with the plastic.
This might be something y'all need. Do the carpet with.
Thank you.
Alright. It's not as heavy as I remember, but it was.
It's just awkward.
What's your life?
Let this be a lesson to you, Gabrielle.
Now we got to twist it this way.
Right.
Alright, well that thing's up under it down there. So.
Okay, I'll take you over.
I feel good.
Maybe. Thoughts? My thought is I don't want to be videotaped when I'm moving.
Oh, that was so sweet.
Don't say that.
Hey. Okay. Okay. Cut. Cut.
Yeah. What are you doing standing these up? These
You're gonna be on her YouTube channel.
No, I'm not neither.
Say
Oh
hey.
no. If you put me on YouTube, I will never speak to you again, Gabrielle.
Me neither, Gabrielle. Don't put me on YouTube.
No, sir.
No, sir. Do
Well,
not.
that's what's gonna happen. Everybody be won't stand on me to walk.
That's all I need.
I come bearing Taco Bell.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Are you documenting the whole thing?
Oh yeah.
I didn't even bother checking to see if it was right because there was so much in there and the
Yum.
lady was so mad at me.
What did she say to you?
I bought $40 worth of Taco Bell in the middle of lunch rush hour. She was not thrilled.
Yum.
Oh, we got some help. Fine.
And nourishment. Tallying all of them together, but reading her text, and she was just like, "What do you want?" And I was gonna
Don't.
check it.
Okay guys, so I am super tired and we have 2 truck fulls full of our belongings. So I'm a hoarder. Okay, but let me show you the apartment. Kind of crazy. We're still gonna come back later and get a few more things, but yeah, just so crazy. So crazy.
Anything you want to say? Tell them why I'm just give out. Have that in the bathtub cup.
What? Anything you want to say?
Want to go?
Say,
Chauffeur's waiting on
I didn't know she was that late.
yeah, I worked mighty hard today. Held down the couch most of the day in a chair
And ate some donuts.
and ate donuts.
Good for you.
Well, we're gonna see you. We're not through with you. You can't give her a second.
Are you driving your car?
We're a 2-truck moving company.
Okay.
Can you text me the address we're going to?
Yes, slay.
There you go.
It's upside down.
It's not.
It goes the other way.
We're going to have to get the game on. Because when the game comes on, I'm stopping. Until there's a break. Cheese. Pull it off. Pull the plastic.
Ain't coming.
So daydreamy. Well guys, it has been an extremely long day and I am very exhausted. Our entire apartment is super messy, so I'm gonna be trying to getting that together tomorrow. My body hurts, my back hurts. I'm literally not moving for another at least year and a half. Anyways, this is what our bathroom looks like right now. Yikes. So, yeah, I have a lot of organizing to do tomorrow. And I'm not really looking forward to it because I'm so exhausted from all the organizing that I've already done. But hopefully I'll get it done and I'm going to sleep now. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
So they cast it, and now they were not able to haul it in because of the quantity of fish. That disciple whom Jesus loved therefore said to Peter,
Good morning guys, it is the next day and I'm back at our old apartment because we have like a few loose ends and I need to get the food out of the fridge and just kind of like vacuum and stuff, and then we'll head to the new apartment to like start unpacking today. But I just wanted to show you how it looks without our furniture. It's kind of crazy and kind of surreal, and like I'm so excited to be in our new apartment and it's beautiful and I'm thankful for it in so many ways, but also, you know, there's like a sentimental attachment to like where you started when you got married and all of that. So yeah, I guess like it's low-key making me emo. So let me just show you around. So this is what the living room is looking like. Very empty. I just need to vacuum and like put those clothes in my car. And yeah, here's our porch. There is no couch anymore, no rug. Here is our dining area, which like I can't even believe that because it's been so full for like a month. And then here is our kitchen. It's so empty. It's just kind of crazy. And then here is our bedroom. And we actually installed these blinds because it didn't even come with blinds. So that's awkward. Good morning guys, it has been 6 full days since we moved now, and I wanted to kind of show you some of the progress that we've made. It's nowhere near perfect and I have so much organizing to do, and I want to make like an actual apartment tour video to show you what we've done, especially once I decorate a little bit more because there's like no decorations going on right now, but let me show you. So this is our bedroom. Got those nightstands on Facebook Marketplace, got the lamps at Goodwill. That lampshade is crooked, oh well. Here's the bed, the rug, our junk, more junk, and then this dresser. Need to hang up those curtains, and here's my mirror, super cute. I love this lamp, I'm obsessed with it. Then we got our clothes organized in here and our shoes, and I have my jeans organized there, and Austin's hang up clothes, and my robe is chaotic, okay? Then I thrifted this runner at Goodwill. I just need to like spot clean it. Here's our bathroom. I won't take you in here because it's honestly scary. Wait, actually I will show you these hand towels. I got them at IKEA for like $4 each, and I love the waffle knit. They're so cute. Then I have my desk set up over here. I really need to do more. I need to like bring my chair over here, set up my piano. It's chaotic. Here's our towels. We haven't been able to do laundry in like 3 weeks. Here is a box of my books and stuff. And then here are the bar stools I got. They're so cute. They're a little too tall, but it's fine. And then here are the bookshelves that we set up. I have, of course, some Vogue magazines and Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift. So thumbs up for that. And then here's the other bookshelf that we brought from our apartment. I haven't decorated at all, but this is what it's looking like so far. There's my office chair that I need to move. I set up this rug right here. And then we have this little couch going on with the curtains and a little runner right here. Next up, we have the white chair here, lamp, my plant, and then our beloved couch and this new coffee table that I also found from Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna make a whole video like changing out the handles and everything for this, but that's what it looks like so far. And then here is our kitchen. I love it so much, and I found this runner at Marshall's the other week. I love it, it's so cute. And then I kind of have my bowls and plates organized up here. I think it looks so cute. And then we've got pantry organization here. Not the best, but I do love these glass jars so much. So anyways, that is what our apartment is looking like right now. Like I said, there's definitely a lot more to do. I have like all of my artwork over here in a corner that I haven't even hung up yet because I envisioned where the furniture would go for so long, but I did not envision where I would put the artwork, so I'm a little bit lost about that, so I need to figure that out. And I think I want a few new pieces too, like some inspirational quotes or like Bible verses or stuff like that. So anyways, stay tuned for that as I get my life together. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this very chaotic week-long moving vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.